Hey guys, welcome back to my kitchen. Today we are gonna make some Christmas tree cupcakes. They're really simple and fun and we're just gonna go for it today. So just follow along. I've got our cupcake liners and we're gonna put our batter in. I kind of wanted to do a fun marbly look with our cupcakes. I know that, Christmas trees are all green, but we're gonna do like a marbly kind of look so that you can kind of see it through the liner when they're cooked, and it'll make them extra cute. So I separated our batter. I've got green and I've got white, and we're just gonna, like I said, do a marbly look. I'll walk you through that in a few minutes. I have sugar cookies, and I'm gonna just hit these with some of my gold edible paint, and we're gonna just make them shine and shimmer on top of our cupcake. As far as the gold paint goes, this is from SweetEst. This one you don't have to add anything to it. It doesn't taste very good though. It does not taste great. It's not my most favorite flavor-wise. This one I got from Amazon it's Oh Sweet Art. This one, I know people use alcohol. You have to mix it with something. I just hit it with a little bit of lemon extract, and that makes it super shimmery and gold. You can do either one. I find this one tastes a little bit better, but this SweetEst is a lot more convenient. So it's just your personal preference. Also, we're gonna hit it with a little bit of glitter just to make it shimmer today. I also got these off Amazon. They're all edible glitter. And then we also need our sprinkles because of course, and our paintbrush because we're just gonna paint right on our cookies today so we can make them shine on the top of our Christmas tree cupcakes. All right guys, I'll walk you through it. Let's go. To achieve the marble look that I'm going for, we're just gonna start by putting a little scoop of our whites into each cupcake liner. Okay, after we get the liner, all 12 of them, then we change colors and we do the exact same thing with a different color that you're choosing. Once the liners are about 3/4 full, get my toothpick and we just pull it through. That way it's going to marble. Now we're gonna pop them in the oven. See how fun they are when they come out. All right, we're gonna just hit these with a little bit of my gold. I'm just gonna use the SweetEst kind today. And we're just gonna paint. Now that we got our stars painted, I'm gonna hit them with a little bit of sparkle. I'm gonna do a little bit of silver. And like I said, it's just my silver, just like my paintbrush in. It's kind of like this. You can kind of flip it. Just however you want to get the sparkles on. And we've got our shimmery, shining stars. Super fun. Okay, we got our cupcakes baked nice and cute. See that cute little marbling? Totally worth it. Now we're gonna make some trees. Using my 1M tip, and we are gonna make some trees. We need to make them a little bit taller because we're making Christmas trees. Just keep that same amount of pressure as you were going all the way up. Same amount of pressure. We're doing tall today because we're making trees. Going, and as soon as you hit the top, release your pressure. pull it right off. Now we're gonna put a few sprinkles on while the icing is still wet. Okay, now we have our sprinkles. It is time to add our Christmas stars. There you have it, guys. Adorable Christmas tree cupcakes. Thanks for hanging out with me today here at Chili's Baked Cakes as we made these adorable Christmas tree cupcakes with our sugar cookie toppers. You guys can make these at your home, in your kitchen. I want you guys to go and do it. Here at Chili's Baked Cakes, my goal is for you guys to be able to do all of this in your own kitchen at your own house. Practice, 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 and you guys will be doing all of this and more in no time. Make sure to subscribe to my channel, push that button, because there's a lot more Christmas fun and exciting things happening here at Chili's Baked Cakes. Follow me on Instagram at Chili's Baked Cakes. And one more thing, when we're baking, it's always a good idea to have some kind of caffeinated beverage on hand. Okay, it doesn't have to be caffeinated. If you don't drink that, that's totally fine. I need a Diet Coke because sometimes when you're baking, you just need a little bit of caffeine to get you guys through. Have a great day, everybody. Thanks for tuning in.